Hi, this is the presentation for the soccer tournament website in the SER 515 project. Below are the links such as the GitHub link, the Taiga link, and the Google Drive link where our documents can be found. This is the list of our team members with their respective Taiga and GitHub usernames. This is the use case diagram for the homepage of the soccer tournament website, which shows the interaction between the visitor of the website and the website. These are the different functionalities or pages that can be found on the website, such as login, schedule, teams. This is the use case diagram for the respective role. Coach can use the registration page to register his team. The team director can approve the teams entered by the coach and also schedule the matches of the tournament. The field director is responsible for scoring of the matches. These are the snapshot for the burn down chart for the sprint, which can be most of the time are steering to zero. These are the features that we implemented in this project. The first is the homepage of the website. The second are the different pages that we integrated in this website. Third is the rule-based authorization for website function. For example, only the team director can approve the teams and also schedule the matches. Third, fourth, algorithm-based tournament scheduling, which generates the schedule of the tournament. Fifth, user registration via invite system and Firebase login authentication. Sixth, created profile pages for each role, such as the team director, the field director, and the coach will have their own respective profile pages. Seventh, online application system for coach or teams and referees. Eight is the hamburger menu that can be found on the homepage of the website. If when going on the website, if it redirects to a maintenance page, it's because we missed some of the features. These are some of the features that we miss. First, miss out on the appealing feature where coach or teams can appeal for the cards. Second, missed out on the approval system for all the directors. Third, missed out on implementing some user-specific function. Fourth, not implemented division system for schedule page. Fifth, no way for the tournament director to change the schedule. These are the lessons learned by the team. The first is teamwork. Second is supporting your team in times of difficulty. Third is asking for advice when you are in trouble. Fourth is rectification on your mistakes based on the previous mistakes from the sprint. Fifth is communicate as much as possible to reap the most out of the benefits of teamwork. Now this is the video demo of our website.
So this is the homepage of our website. Here we are also showing the latest sports news and the feature videos. Moving forward, we have About Us page where the details about the website is shown. Next, we have a search page where we can search the upcoming matches of a particular team based on the different categories like boys division, girls division, fields, referees, etc. Also, we can search the matches by teams. Moving forward, we have schedule page where the schedule of all the matches are displayed. Here we are displaying home teams, visiting teams, referees, start time, end time, and the fields. Next, we have result page where all the result of the past matches are displayed. Yes, like in the are displayed. Like in the second row, the Miami won against the Scranton. Next, we have a hotel page where we can book a hotels for all the teams participating in the tournament. By clicking on the book hotel, we can redirect to all the we are redirected to the we are redirected to the hotel page where all the hotels nearby are displayed. Next, we have a map page. We show the location of our stadium. We can also zoom the location if we want. Next, we have the rule page where all the rules regarding the tournament are displayed based on the different categories. This page covers all the FAQs regarding the application, bracketing, team and section, format, general, hotel and travels, registration, website, etc. Next, we have a apply page where the coaches or a teams and a referee can register. By clicking on this registration form, the coaches and the team can register for a team. By submitting the application, registration will be successful. Next, referee can also register for himself. This is the form of a referee. By submitting this form, the referee will be registered. Next, we have a sponsor page where all the sponsors are displayed. Adidas is our golden sponsor. Next, we have a hamburger menu option where we can move to the desired page and we can search for all the upcoming matches of the teams. Next, we have also developed the login functionality where the each role can log in into this. So this is our login page where all the copyright and the terms and condition are displayed. So now we will log in as a coach. So this is the profile page for a coach. And all the functionalities or all the facilities are displayed as per the coach profile. Now, if if the coach want to generate an invite, he can't invite to any other role because coach belongs to the lowest point in the hierarchy. Also, we will move to the schedule page. Here, there is no edit option for the coach. This functionality is only provided to the tournament director. And also in the result page, he can't edit the result of the matches because this functionality is provided to the tournament director. So now we will show you by login. So this is the login logout functionality. Now we will again log in as a tournament director. So this is the profile page for the tournament director and all the functionality regarding his roles are displayed. Now we will click on the generate invite button where he can generate an invite for each and every role because he is the top among the hierarchy. And by clicking on this generate token, a new token will be generated and based on the email ID, the role will be assigned. Now we will move to the schedule page. As tournament director have the right to edit the schedule, here the edit schedule option is displayed, which was absent in the coach profile. Also, the tournament director can edit the result of the matches. So he can edit the match result like here. So we will now go to the last matches where the result will be. He will change the result. So by clicking on this, we can see that the result got updated. So this is our website that we have developed in this project.